In today's video, I am going to teach you how to view all cookies on Google Chrome in 2023, Google Chrome. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure you are on the main browser window so you can access the settings menu easily. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the window. You will see the 3 vertical dots. This is the main Chrome menu, and it gives you access to many browser controls and settings. Click those 3 dots to open the drop-down menu. From that menu, select Settings. This will take you to Chrome's Settings page, where you can manage privacy options, security features, and other browser preferences. Next, find Privacy and Security in the left-hand menu and click on it. This section contains the controls related to browsing data, site behavior, cookies, and protections that affect how websites interact with your browser. After that, select third-party cookies, or in some versions of Chrome, cookies and other site data. Chrome sometimes changes menu names slightly between updates, so either option can lead you to the right area. The goal here is to reach the section where cookie and site data controls are listed. When you are in that section, look for the option called See All Site Data and Permissions, and click it. This page shows you the websites that have stored cookies and other data in Chrome. As you look through this page, you may notice that Chrome organizes the data by website. This makes it easier to identify which sites are storing information in your browser. If needed, you can use this area later to inspect site-specific data more closely. That covers everything you need to know.